Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys. Here my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys gesture navigation mode in our Samsung phone device. Friends, we want to enable guys to Samsung phone guys gesture navigation mode. So how can we enable it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we enable guys gesture navigation mode in Samsung phone device guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to enable it. After on phone setting, as you can see this tab setting. So friends, we will click on get this phone guys, this general management setting is tap here and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see navigation bar guys, tap here. Friends, you can see gesture navigation guys, we will tap here to enable it. After 4 and 5 seconds guys, your gesture navigation will enable and guys you can use. And guys, how to use? Friends, you can see this button layout will remove guys, so if we cannot back from here guys, we can back from this right and left side guys. Full of screen guys, right and left side guys, you can back. I recently close app guys, you can close from here. So like that guys, we can enable the gesture navigation setting guys, and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.